What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Son. Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my...
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, as we are on the journey this year to hit 10,000 subscribers, and you could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new, you're probably going to want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here. And me personally, I like to keep it consistent around here. So please hit the notification bell down below, and it'll do just that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video around here. Alright, guys, before we jump into today's video, today's video, you know, it is sponsored by J&M Sneakers, because you know they take care of us. If you are brand new, you have no idea who they are. Check them out. The links will be in the top of my description. You can check them out on Instagram. Give them a follow. If you shop with them, let them know that I sent you. It's your man, the son of some man, and I'm sure they'll take extra good care of you, as they do, you know, take care of me. Alright, guys, without further ado, let's see what we got. Alright, guys, so as you can see, the box, you've seen the thumbnail. We got an Air Jordan 1 here. Now, this is no typical Air Jordan 1. Now, this is not going to be the, you know, full-on detailed review. I'll leave that for tomorrow. If not tomorrow, 1000% Monday. But I just wanted to get this out there for you guys. But as you can see, the box is covered in that elephant print. I'm actually digging these. Let's get to the shoe already. Check it out. Here you have it, guys, the Air Jordan 1 white cement. Air Jordan 1 elephant print, whatever you'd like to call it. Now, like I said, I'm just getting my first looks at it. You guys are getting your first looks at it. I really didn't see that many videos on, you know, YouTube about it, because I believe these don't drop until May the 6th, if I'm not mistaken. But the materials seem okay. Now, I hope we're not going to have a lot of complaints like we had with the Air Jordan 3 white cement with the mismatching of the elephant print. It looks the same to you guys. I'm just joking around. But yeah, man, these are dope. Yesterday I actually had a funeral. That's why I didn't drop a video yesterday. I actually got home around 9 o'clock, so I actually picked these up today from J&M Sneakers. And figured I'd drop this before we got to, you know, before I start. I was going to go watch the movie Air, but I can't watch it at home. I have to go to the theaters, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm super tired, super shot. Now, as for exactly when these drop, I believe they drop on May the 6th, if I'm not mistaken. If I am mistaken, please let me know in the comment section, please. But yeah, I'm actually digging this pair, man. This pair is actually very, very dope. I'm liking them. What do you guys think? Remember, guys, if you want these early, J&M Sneakers has them. Links are in the description down below. Also, too, you can check me out on Instagram as well. My links will be in the description as well. I was at 30K, you know, I got hacked, but I'm getting back up there. I'm around 3,360, something like that. But anyway, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button. I truly appreciate you guys, man. But anyway, guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of these guys. I know we didn't get a really full-on detailed look, but we will. Stay tuned, stay locked in, subscribe to the channel. If you are brand new, make sure you subscribe. But until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.